A moving ball with a momentum of 25 kg meter per second collides head-on with a wall. It rebounds from the wall with the same speed but in the opposite direction. The time of collision is 50 milliseconds. What is the average force exerted on the wall by the ball during this collision? The first thing you need to recall is that force is change in momentum over time. They've given you the time of collision, but the time is in milliseconds. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do the conversion over here, because usually you end up forgetting at the end. So this is going to be 50 divided by 1000, which is 0.05 seconds. Now I need to calculate the change in momentum. Always remember, whatever change you need to calculate, it's always going to be final minus initial. So the change is going to be final momentum minus the initial momentum. Okay, now they've given you the initial momentum, which is 25 kg meter per second, which is the momentum before collision. For the final momentum, you need to calculate it, and the final momentum would be the momentum after collision. Now it says it rebounds from the wall with the same speed. Now we know that momentum is mass into velocity. Now we're talking about the same ball, hence the mass is going to be the same. It says it rebounds with the same speed as well. So you would think that the momentum after collision should also be 25 kg meter per second, but this is not the case. What you seem to forget, or what students seem to forget, is that both velocity and momentum are vector quantities. So when it rebounds, although it rebounds with the same speed, but since the direction is opposite, the sign is also going to be opposite. Hence, the question says that it rebounds with the same speed, not velocity. So the momentum is going to be minus 25. The final momentum is going to be minus 25. So the change is going to be minus 25 minus plus 25 is going to be minus 50 kg meter per second. Now this negative sign, please don't get confused by it. It only shows that the direction is opposite. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 50 divided by 0.05 is going to be 5000 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. So the answer is 1000 newtons.